all, so in today's video I'm gonna be doing yet another Amazon haul. I shopped for a bunch of beauty products this time from Amazon, and these are all winter related skincare and makeup products because the winters are just kicking in. It started to get a little bit cold here in Mumbai and my skin has started to become a little dry as well, so all of these products are gonna come really handy for me. I did all of my winter beauty shopping this time from Amazon. The sale that's going on Amazon is crazy. The deals are so good, the prices are so amazing, and the discounts that they're offering, you won't be able to resist yourself from shopping. So yeah, without any further ado, let me quickly show you all of the items that I got from Amazon sale. So the first product in here is this bio-organic extra virgin coconut oil by the Indus Valley. So this one I got mainly for my feet, to massage on my feet. Now since the winters are kicking in, my feet have started to become a little bit dry, and before they become all cracked and all very dry and rough, I decided to start following this technique. So I just take a good amount of coconut oil and massage it all over my feet, and then wear a pair of socks and go to bed. And next morning when I get up, my feet feel so smooth, so soft, and all of the dryness, all of the roughness is gone completely. So if you have the problem of cracked heels, if you have footy area, do follow this technique. Do use some extra virgin coconut oil to massage your feet overnight. It's going to do wonders for your feet, trust me. The next product that I got is this Bella Vita Organic Grow Brow. Now this is an eyebrow and eyelash growth oil, and the oil comes in this tube form, and it's also got a wand for easy application. So this doesn't have anything specifically to do with the winters, but in general I really want to grow my eyelashes long and voluminous, and my eyebrows are also a little sparse. Like right now I've filled them in so they look a little good, but they are a little sparse, so I want to grow them big and bushy, and that's why I got this oil. The next product that I got is for my lips. This is Lane Lip Sleeping Mask in the berry variant. This is the most hyped lip product ever, and I finally got my hands on it. It's so tiny, you can easily fit it in your bag while traveling. I really wanted to try this out so bad, and during this Amazon sale I did receive a little bit discount on this, so I just had to buy this. It has a very mild berry fragrance, it's very mild, and ooh, it's creamy AF. It's so creamy, and it's in the form of a balm, but once you pick up the product, it just melts into your skin like a very lightweight oil. That's the kind of a consistency that this has. And yeah, I just cannot wait to try this on my lips, especially during these winters when my lips become all dry and chapped and dehydrated. I just cannot wait to try this. Next up I have this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Now this claims to moisturize your skin for 24 hours and it's fragrance free. It's perfect for people who have sensitive skin. This is an amazing luxury brand that you can try out, and these products are really expensive, but during this Amazon sale I did receive discounts on all of the products that I purchased, and that's why I did not think twice before investing in these products. If not for the sale, I don't think I would invest my money in these products, but just because I received amazing discounts, I just had to try all of these luxury brands. Let me just try a little bit of this. Okay, so it has absolutely no fragrance, and it's already been absorbed by my skin. It's so lightweight, and it's very moisturizing. All of the dryness that was there has gone completely. It's so moisturizing. I absolutely love the consistency of this. It's so fast absorbing yet so moisturizing and nourishing. Next up I bought some Garnier products. So these are sheet masks. Let me just open them. Okay, so these are the sheet masks that I got, and I got them in two variants. The first one is this pink one. This is called Pinkish Glow Sakura Serum Mask, And the second one that I got is the Purifying Green Tea Serum Mask. So these sheet masks are priced at rupees 99 each. I should have gotten them for 500 rupees, but the discount that I received on this was crazy. I got all of these 5 for just rupees 300, which makes them 60 rupees each. इतना डिस्काउंट तो कभी नहीं मिलता शीट मास्क पे जितना इस बार मिला है. So I was like really happy with the deal. I was really happy with, you know, how much money I ended up saving, and I just cannot wait to try these. I think sheet masks are so essential for the winter season. Like summers mein how you use clay masks to, you know, control the excessive oiliness, winters mein you need to use sheet masks to hydrate your skin, to give your skin that extra boost of hydration whenever needed. So invest in sheet masks this winter, and I highly recommend you check out this deal because it's crazy. It's so affordable. Moving on to the last box, which is the heaviest box. So the first product in here is this Nivea Light Moisturizer in the variant Berry Blossom. Now this is a pink color moisturizer in the berry variant, and if you haven't tried this out, do try it out right away. It smells divine. It's so beautiful. The fragrance is so beautiful, and it's a very nice moisturizer. I'm sure you must have already tried Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. It's a very nice lightweight everyday moisturizer that you can use for the summers or for the winters. It's really good, but this variant, I absolutely love it. I highly recommend you check this out if you're looking for a good face or a body moisturizer. It's one of the best. It's one of my favorites. Next up, I got this Solimo body butter in the coconut variant. Now this is an Amazon in-house brand, and look at the size of that body butter tub. It's quite huge, and this contains 200 grams of product, and this is priced only at 350 rupees, but I got it for 200 rupees only. That's how good the discount was. So 200 rupees ke liye 200 grams of product is a steal deal. So I cannot wait to try this. Let me just open it. The fragrance is amazing. It smells like shea butter. The fragrance is really good, and look at how thick that is. Look at how thick that is. It's not like a body lotion. It's not like a regular moisturizer, but it's an actual butter. It's so soft. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. I think this would make for a perfect winter body butter if you're looking for a, you know, very good quality, very nourishing, something that smells nice and something that's really affordable. You should definitely check this one out. It's really good. Another body lotion that I got is by Love Beauty and Planet, and this is in the variant Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower. I've been wanting to try out Love Beauty and Planet products since forever because their products are vegan and they are very clean products. But the discounts that I got on these products, I just couldn't stop myself from buying them. Like, I just had to purchase them. The smell is so soothing. It's so beautiful. It's sort of a body mist wala smell, something that smells really nice and floral. So you don't even have to apply a body mist if you just use this. It smells so good. And the last item in this box is this another box by M Caffeine. So this is a combo that I ordered from M Caffeine, and it's quite heavy. So it's got two products. The first one is their Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, and the second one is their Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. These are two products so apt, so perfect for the winters because you've got to use the scrub first in the shower, and trust me, the scrub is just amazing. It's just all coffee and coconut, and you've got to use this to scrub your entire body, and it makes your body skin so smooth, so soft, so baby like. Like, I've used 2 tubs of this already in the past and I absolutely love it. And this time when I saw this on a discount, I just had to pick it again because it's the winter time and my body really needs this. And after the scrub, when you come out of the shower, you can use this Choco Body Butter. This smells divine. Like, even the scrub smells so good. And this has a very rich, very creamy, very thick consistency, something that's going to hydrate and moisturize your body so well. It's so apt for the winters, it's so apt for dry skin, and yeah, I absolutely love this combo. I received a huge discount on both of these products. Together, if you buy them, they'll retail somewhere around 1200 rupees, but I got them for 800 only. That is how amazing the deal was. So yeah, those were all of the winter beauty products that I got from Amazon sale. I highly recommend you check out their sale on their website as well as on their app. The discounts are amazing, the deals are crazy, and the prices are so good. Also, I'm really happy with each and every item that I purchased. I think all of the products are so perfect for the winter season. So in case if you want to check out any of the products that I purchased, the links to purchase them is mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.